Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a live HTTPS site and a Google account. Open Adsense, go to Sites and click Add Site, type the exact URL and submit. Once done, Adsense will give you a verification step. Copy the provided meta tag or the site code snippet. Make sure to keep your CMS or hosting control panel ready so you can paste that code in the head of your homepage immediately to speed up verification. Next, you verify ownership. Adsense may ask you to confirm via Search Console, follow its prompts, and grant access. Then paste the Adsense site code into the head of your site template so it appears on every page. Once the code is live, enable auto ads and create responsive ad units. These adapt to screen sizes and reduce layout work. While you wait for crawling, double-check robots, TXT, and any security plugins that might finally monitor the site's overview for the approval status and wait for Google to crawl and review your pages. Once approved, ads will start appearing. Make sure formats and placements follow policy to avoid violations. If ads don't show after approval, request a manual review or recheck code placement in the head and that no script conflicts exist. A key troubleshooting tip: confirm Googlebot can crawl your site. If blocked, remove the block and request recrawl to resolve most approval delays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.